Welcome back to the Wealthy Clan. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that's incredibly important for our well-being, being kind to yourself in your inner voice. You know, that little voice inside your head that talks to you all day long. Let's explore what it means and how it can make a positive impact on your life. And of course, we'll use some real-life examples to drive the point home. First off, we have positive self-talk. This is all about changing that critical inner voice into a supportive one. Imagine you've had a tough day at work and made a mistake. Instead of beating yourself up, be kind to yourself and say, "It's okay, we all mess up sometimes. I'll learn from this and do better next time." Next up, we have self-encouragement. Picture this, you're training for a marathon. Instead of doubting yourself, use your inner voice to cheer yourself on, saying, "I am capable and well prepared. I can handle this challenge." That positivity can boost your confidence and keep you motivated. Self-compassion is crucial. We all have those moments when we're feeling down. Instead of criticizing yourself, practice self-compassion by saying, "It's okay to feel sad sometimes. I'm human, and it's natural. I'll give myself the time and space to heal." Another way to be kind to yourself is by setting realistic expectations. Imagine you have a busy week ahead. Instead of stressing over an impossible to-do list, be kind and say, "I'll focus on the most important tasks and tackle the rest when I can." Forgiving yourself is liberating. Let's say you've made a significant mistake or have regrets about something. Instead of dwelling on it negatively, say, "I made the best decision I could at that time. I can always make changes and grow from here." Handling criticism is easier when you're kind to yourself. When someone criticizes you, acknowledge it and ask if it's constructive. If it's not, remind yourself, "I am doing my best, and I'll keep improving." Self-care is essential. If you're feeling stressed and overwhelmed, tell yourself, "I need a break to relax and recharge." Prioritizing self-care prevents burnout and keeps you in a positive mindset. Lastly, we have accepting imperfections. We all have flaws, and that's perfectly okay. Instead of dwelling on them, say, "I'm not perfect, but I'm unique and valuable just the way I am." So, there you have it. Being kind to yourself in your inner voice is like being your own best friend, offering support and understanding no matter what life throws at you. Remember, it's a practice that takes time, but it's worth it. Try it out in your daily life and see how it transforms your well-being. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an inspiring video like this one. As always, be kind to yourself, because you deserve it.